Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to remove iOS 18 developer beta from iPhone. First of all, go through your settings and hit on your iCloud drive and make sure that sync this phone is turned on and your internet connection is also working perfectly fine. Now go through the general and then hit on the software update and make sure that your system is up to date. Then scroll down a little bit and go to the VPN and make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Once you check all of this, now connect your mobile phone to your PC and then remove iOS update using reboot or iTunes. So in this way, you can easily remove iOS 18 developer beta from iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.